Imagine a world where inspecting stadium lighting is quicker, safer, and more efficient. With drone technology, this isn't just a possibility, it's a reality. Traditionally, inspecting stadium lights meant sending workers up tall, dangerous poles, risking serious injury. In fact, falls from heights account for over 36% of all construction-related fatalities. But with drones, that risk is eliminated. Drones can fly right up to the top of the stadium lights, capturing high-quality, real-time footage without exposing workers to danger. And the best part? Drones do all of this while reducing your liability. With no workers scaling poles, the risk of accidents is drastically reduced, and you save money on insurance and workers' compensation claims. In fact, drone inspections can save you up to 50% in costs compared to manual inspections. Faster inspections, fewer delays, and lower costs. It's a win-win. Ready to upgrade your stadium lighting inspections? With drones, you'll get faster results, reduced risks, and lower costs. Contact PrecisionAir today for a custom quote or more information. Let's make your inspections smarter, safer, and more efficient.